Guys, so getting ready to go. He just landed, so I'm gonna be picking him up at the airport, and then want to get something to eat, do all the paperwork and everything like that, and hopefully everything works well. So let's get to the airport. Alright guys, we are at the local Bank of America. I just picked Kyle up. That's the new owner for the car. We went to go have some breakfast, but we're out here finishing up the paperwork. It's a little windy today, but it feels really nice. Good day to sell a car, that's for sure. So hopefully it doesn't pick up too much wind or noise. Here's Kyle. Hey guys, this is Kyle and his wife? His wife, sorry. We just finished up some paperwork, and we'll get his statement after this about the car, because he wasn't expecting to be this pretty, right? All right, be right back. So we are here back to the house. Final days, final minutes actually before they drive off. So it's a little bit unreal. Is that the word, surreal? Surreal. It's a little surreal. Yeah, but Kyle right here and his wife is gonna take it home. They're gonna drive it back up to Georgia. So anyone in the Georgia area wants to link up with him in the future and hang out and stuff, like, there it is. So you're gonna see that car around for a while. So first impressions, you know, that's what I always want to get. How do you feel about the car after seeing it online for however many months, and now seeing it in person? What do you think? A
little over a year. It's so much better in person. Like, I mean, my first impressions were obviously watching it on YouTube, but being here is completely different, man. It's beautiful. I
think he's really happy with it. I'm very happy with it. And like I said, we put the new headlights in because I couldn't sell my OEM ones, which looks like crap compared to this, because this is like, it's beautiful. The plastic is so clean. So I actually think this is an upgrade compared to the OEM ones. Yeah, man, you got a very, very long drive.
Well, we're splitting it up. We're stopping in North Florida, so.
Yeah.
It's not that long. He's excited about it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be okay with it.
That's it, guys. I'm here with Kyle. Probably won't be the last time I'll see you. If I ever go to Georgia, I'm gonna visit you for sure, because I want. Sorry, that door is weird. It sagged a little, so that's why I was trying to yank it up and down. Yeah, I live in a crappy house. Yeah, she seems really happy about it, but I know she's gonna sleep the whole time because you probably got like some type of jet lag going on now. But they've been up since like 2, so I feel bad. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the end of an era, 4 years running, and I'm gonna really miss this car, only because it's such a great car, and hopefully you do more to it, man.
Oh, I will. Yeah,
I see it. I mean, the car's set up just right for someone to do way more than what I could ever do. So. Yeah, man, dude, I don't want to cry in front of the camera. I was talking to Kyle that I'm really emotional, but I'm really good at hiding it, and I mean, that's just part of me. I'll probably cry about it later when he leaves. But yeah, let me give him the keys. All right, checking out the engine bay. What do you think?
It's clean.
Yeah. I did my best. I just wiped it down real quick, you know.
It looks great.
Missing some screws, but yeah, brand new battery, so sweet. Should be good to go.
Okay. And the headlight adjustment is under here?
Yeah, you like just like take the Phillips out, the 2 screws, and then you should be able to get a screwdriver in.
Okay.
It's like a weird ribbed washer, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I saw it on another video.
Yeah.
And it's weird.